There's a lot of layoffs going on. Let's start to figure out why you were picked out of that hat. And if there is any illegal discriminatory animus in that decision, you likely have a pretty good claim to distinguish yourself from everybody else who has to deal with the fact that the company is downsizing. Today I had a phone call with one individual who was included in a layoff, but he was one guy in a department of 100 that operated separately and distinctly from the entire department that had gotten laid off. There was no overlap, and he was a high performer. The only distinction that we could discuss about his case that separated him from everybody else was the fact that he'd complained that his supervisor was making Islamophobic comments after October 7th of 2023 directed towards him. He was the only Muslim person on the team, and when he bubbled up to his supervisor, he was told that it was a non-issue and that he should focus on his performance. Instead of going to HR, my client bit his tongue because he wanted to keep his job. He has a wife and 2 kids at home. Fortunately, he mentioned in an email to his supervisor that they'd had a discussion and that he wasn't really happy with the end result. He asked for time to speak about it again later. Later never came. Now he's out on his butt. As many of us know, sometimes we think something is bad for us, but it's actually good for us. This guy is already being recruited by better firms who hopefully